foolish, but I've been coming home. You're in my way. I'd like to be alone, and you pull out your show. Yeah, you like to intrude. You do your best work when I'm not in the mood. You're something else. You're something else.
Večeras nalazimo među najboljima. Iza svake uspešne firme stoji izuzetna posvećenost. To je ono što je stvorilo Madame Clicquot. Budite kreativni, hrabri, autentični, istrajni, uspeh neće izostati. Ja sam dokaz za to.
Something else.
So it's special to be with you tonight, and it's a great privilege tonight to celebrate amazing people, amazing women. Tonight, as a tribute to Madame Clicquot, we together I think we'll be very proud to acknowledge and honor inspiring women with vision.